Hey there, welcome to another tutorial on how to optimize your workflow and automate your business processes with the help of InvoiceBerry and Zapier. My name is Uwe. I'm the founder of InvoiceBerry, a simple online invoicing software for small business owners. Today we're looking at CalendarApp and how to accept bookings and then automatically send out an invoice and ask for payment. All right, so I'm on the CalendarApp website. I've already created a test account here. I've set up a few things in the account. I've set up my calendar and I've already created my first booking. So there should be some sample data within Zapier. So let's go to Zapier and search for CalendarApp. All right, and let's search for InvoiceBerry and connect the two. All right, so whenever we receive a new booking, we want to create an invoice. Let's click on try it. Perfect. So now we first have to click on the trigger and we have to sign into CalendarApp. So CalendarApp wants an API key. We find it by going to Account, Profile, API Keys, and Zapier. Let's go there. Account, Profile, API Keys, and Zapier. Let's copy that and pop it into here. Yes, continue. Great. So we connected CalendarApp to Zapier. Continue. Which calendar do we want to connect? Let's have a look. My calendar, that's a calendar I created. Continue. Okay, test trigger. Okay, so it just received some test data. Yes, that's the test data I set up, John Doe, and that's my email address. Continue. And now we have to connect our InvoiceBerry account. Sign in. In InvoiceBerry's case, we need the API key and the API password. So let's go to InvoiceBerry, click on Settings, Main Settings, and Integrations. And here, copy the API key, pop it into here, then go back to InvoiceBerry, copy the API password, pop it into here, and click on Yes, Continue. Perfect. So we've successfully connected InvoiceBerry to Zapier. That's my sample account. Let's click on Continue. And now we want to create an invoice for any new booking we receive. That means that we also have to create a new client. So as client name, let's click here. We probably want to set up John Doe. We also can look at other options, as you can see here. For example, we can add the phone number, the street, and a lot of other information. In my booking, I only use the name. So let's just, in this case, use the name, the client name, and I just leave those information empty, maybe client email. It's important. So we will set up client email. And then let's just leave the client like that. You could fill out all those information. And then for the invoice part, we need a currency. So we just use US dollars. All right. And then we need the date of issue. Normally, whenever the person books the appointment, I choose. So let's have a look. This is the start date. The start date. So we could do this, or we could do the day when the booking was created, the creation date of the booking. So that means the date of issue is today, because today I created that booking. And let's go further down here. And now for the item row of the invoice, we want to give it a description. For example, 1 hour call with Uwe. And how much do we want to charge? Let's say $99. And it's 1 hour, so quantity is 1. And then let's say here we go further down. We could add a payment, but since we obviously haven't charged yet, we wouldn't add a payment because we want to ask for payment in the invoice. So let's say we want to send the invoice automatically, yes. So as soon as the customer books the appointment, they will receive our invoice. And then we click on continue. Now we can check once more the information and let's say test action. All right, perfect. So we just tested the action. We apparently created the invoice successfully. As the next step, we also have to click on publish in order to publish that Zap and to activate it. I noticed that I already received an email here. That's probably the invoice, but let's have a quick look in the InvoiceBerry account. Click on invoices, John Doe, send, $99. Perfect. Let's go to my Gmail account. Perfect. So this would be the customer's Gmail account, and the customer received an email with the payment amount, the invoice number, and here's the invoice, 1 hour call with Uber. And if you connected your Stripe or Square or WePay account with InvoiceBerry, there would be a payment button, a Pay Now button. Your customer can click on it, pop in their details, and pay you for the call. And then in InvoiceBerry, you could see that the invoice has been paid. And that gives you the entire workflow of someone booking a call with CalendarApp, InvoiceBerry sending out the invoice, and the customer then can click on the pay button and pay for the call. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you've got any other questions on how to automate your business workflows, please leave a comment below and I'm always happy to help. Bye bye for now and happy invoicing.